Yes, hello, and today welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. And today we are going to look at something amazing in our series for tonight. Before wasting any more time, let's get started. We are going to create something similar to this. If you have a business and you want to make a nice looking graphics for your products, you are on the right platform. Okay, let's get started. Like I told you, Canva is amazing and it's a very handy tool for everyone. You don't need any graphics experience to start making amazing designs. All right, I'm going to start by creating a new blank page. Just from here, I'm going to say add a page, and there we go. On our canvas we have our new blank page. This size can be used for the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or even X, or even your WhatsApp status. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go to the elements to look for a background image that fits my design, that would match with what I want to have. Okay, so my design is about the toilet product, the toilet cleaner. So I'm going to search for a background of, let's say, a toilet, let's say a modern toilet with bathroom. Let's say maybe a modern toilet is enough. Okay, so I'll go to photos because I don't need graphics. So I'll go to photos and pick any of my choice here. I have variety, so I'm going to pick any. So let me pick this one. Now I need to send this picture to the background. How am I going to do that? I'm going to right click and then select set image as background. When I click there, you can see now it is filled in the background. All right, next step of course is to add our product, then align it how we want it to be. How do I do that? I'll go to uploads. When I go to uploads, here you upload your files. If you want to upload a file or a picture from your computer, just say upload files, then you select the file of your choice, then you upload. For my case, I already uploaded the product, so I'll just browse through my pictures down there, and then I get the product. I'll browse through. Okay, here is the product. Let me pick it up. Okay, that's the product I took with my camera. So first things first, I'll also try to remove the background before doing anything else. How do I do that? It's easy peasy. That's why I love Canva. No need to start cutting out things here and there, but I think using AI, it will automatically detect and then leave you with what you want. So I'm going to click on my image, select background remover, or you come to the edit tab here. When you click on the edit tab, you'll get several tools. You have the background remover, you have the magic eraser, and so many more. So my interest here is on the background remover. I'm going to click on the background remover. As you can see, it's doing its work very fast, and ta-da, our background has been removed, nice and smooth. Isn't it amazing? You don't need to do a lot of work here. So next is I want to bring something where my product will sit on, some kind of a podium like base. So I'll go to element still, I look for it. I'll come here, let me say product podium, for example. I'll look for it under graphics. Let me look for a nice one that looks amazing or beautiful for my product. Okay, I'm going to pick this one here. As you can see, I'm using Canva Pro. I'm not using the free version, but as well you can use the free version if you don't have the if you've not subscribed for the paid version. All right, so here is my podium and my product. However, as you can see, it's not matching properly. The product is behind the podium, yet it's supposed to be seated on it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on the podium and then go to position. So and then position it where I would like my product to be. Very simple. I'm going to click on the podium. I want it to be at the back of my product, so I'm going to say send to back. Send to back sends the product completely to the back. If there are other elements that are in front, the podium will just go behind them. All right, easy peasy, nice and beautiful. Next is let's put a shadow such that it looks a little bit real. So I'm going to go back to the elements and then I will search for a drop shadow. Remember, we're doing everything from scratch such that we learn very well. So I'll go to the graphics, look for a suitable shadow. This would work. I'm going to pick it up, bring it, resize it to the size that I would love. All right, there. Then I'm going to send it to the back. Go to position and send it backwards. All right, as you can see, your shadow is over there, nice and beautiful. Okay, next is like I said, I wanted to make a similar design, so I'll go here, bring this. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to elements and pick a shape from here, preferably a rectangle. I'm not seeing it. Let me search for it. Rectangle. There I have it. So I don't want a round shape, but anyway, okay, let me pick the color. I wanted this navy blue color. Then I will expand it. After that, I will rotate, place it where I want it to be, move it a little bit there, and then again I'm gonna send it to the back. Go to positions and then send it to the back. All right, isn't it amazing? Okay, let's also pick something. I'm going to do exactly what is here. So go back to the elements and then let me go to recently used. So this is what I used, the pink gradient. I'm going to come over here, place it such that my design looks amazing. Okay, still I'm going to now copy and paste it, copy and paste it, rotate it how I want it to look or be, and place it anywhere I want. All right, so this is a Regent bowl cleaner. Okay, this was for one of my clients. Yes, similarly, because with not wasting a lot of time, let me pick I want to copy and paste all this from here, and I place it. Like I said, let me now change this color to red, no, to pink, to look like the other one. Okay, also change this to pink, change it to pink. Okay, let me bring the contacts also and place them right there. Okay, I think let's maintain the red. It is more elegant and looking, matching the color of the bottle of the jerry can. Okay, let me also bring this shop now icon and place it over there. Let's say I need to add the price or something. Okay, let me also bring the text first. That's our toilet bowl cleaner from Resize. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and that's it for today. For more videos, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Bye bye.